Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your car loses power, the transmission won't shift, or it gets stuck in limp mode. You check the OBD-II scanner and you see code P0884 TCM power input signal intermittent. This means your transmission control module, TCM, is experiencing power fluctuations which can cause major transmission issues. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you where the key sensors and relays are located, the common causes, and how to fix this issue step by step. Let's get started. DTC P0884 means that the TCM, transmission control module, is getting an unstable power input from the TCM power relay. This can cause intermittent transmission failure, leading to shifting problems or even a complete transmission shutdown. If your car has this code, you may experience intermittent loss of power in transmission, car stuck in limp mode, erratic or delayed shifting, check engine, light on, transmission warning light on. Transmission control module, TCM, location, typically located in the engine bay, near the battery or fuse box. In some vehicles it may be inside the transmission housing, requiring removal of the transmission pan. Transmission control relay, TCM power relay, location usually found in the fuse box under the hood, near the battery. Some vehicles have it in the dashboard fuse panel. Wiring and power circuits runs from the battery to the fuse box, then to the TCM and transmission solenoids. Check for damaged wires or corroded connectors around the TCM and relay. Here are the most common causes. Faulty transmission control relay, power cuts in and out, loose or corroded. TCM connector, short circuit in the wiring, causing voltage fluctuations. Weak battery or failing alternator, internal fault in the transmission control module, TCM. How to fix P0884? Step 1, check the transmission relay. If it's faulty or overheating, replace it. Step 2, inspect the wiring, look for broken, corroded, or loose connections. Step 3, test the battery and alternator, ensure they provide stable voltage. Step 4, check the TCM connector. Clean any corrosion and secure the connection. Step 5, if necessary, replace the TCM. Step 6, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive your car. Ignoring P0884 can lead to sudden transmission failure while driving. If you notice shifting problems, check the relay, fuses, and wiring immediately. For more OBD-II error codes and fixes, watch these videos next. P0634, PCM control module temperature too high, P0635, power steering control circuit malfunction. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.